Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all killing the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and immaculate work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunseyer in September 2020, essentially putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations fundamentally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential slide will carry extremist change to fun. Torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower expenses. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A urgent distinction between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the intrinsic potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has incredible potential and will generally be the most alluring digital money, predominantly for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, arising as a very unique and lively power. Avax will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and huge commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light engineering that offers more impartial support rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its brokers a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has likewise marked a settlement with numerous biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so on, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a philanthropic local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, feasible, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest mix is that of Chainlink Guardians and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential torrential slide organization. This combination will be super beneficial for the token as it will lessen the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the brilliant agreements. This news, joining, and acknowledgement will assist Avax with getting the notice of financial backers and brokers. The rising interest will, thusly, lead to the rising worth of the token. Torrential slide value expectation 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and most extreme cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 individually, as per our Avax cost forecast 2022 and specialized investigation. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the Avax coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the most extreme cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our AVAX cost forecast 2025, while the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and greatest cost of $80 and $85 individually. For the year 2026, the unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost expectations. Torrential slide crypto value forecast 2027. In view of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the torrential slide digital currency might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $96. Torrential slide crypto expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost conjecture for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and greatest costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can presume that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the most reduced and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 separately. AVAX value expectation 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost conjecture demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $185, with a likely low of $162 in the crypto market. The nitty-gritty torrential slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. Torrential slide value expectation. Market opinions. The market opinions administer cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no special case. In view of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make out and out. In light of a VAX cost estimate, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from here on out. As indicated by their AVAX coin cost expectation, the cost could stretch around $44.14 by 2023 and $81.11 toward the finish of 2023.